Good day everyone. This video that I'm gonna show you is to how to demonstrate and set up and configure Arduino board in laptop. First step, we're gonna download Arduino IDE application in Google. We're going to open the app and check if okay na. And get the Arduino device and cord, put them together and itakod siya sa laptop. When you see it blinking, it means okay na ang imo nga ginbutang. And I will paste the code in Arduino app, goes to Arduino device. I will demonstrate to you the running light circuit. Two LED light, jumping wires, and two push button. Did you see the light blinking in Birdbird? Code that I make is okay. And that's all. Thank you.